Hey, what's up? So it's Kate, my day. I haven't been on this channel in like forever, and I apologize. But being that we're all at home due to COVID-19, I was like, why not get back on my channel? Now, today I'm making a video. Stop it, guys. Right. So I want to get back on my channel and basically talk about my channel and talk about, like, I like the relationship stuff. But the first thing I want to say is, during this time of COVID, don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Because honestly, I feel like if you don't have it and you're panicking, or if you're panicking for other reasons, before anything ever happens to you or anyone in your family, when it does happen or if it happens, you're going to panic twice. And that's stress on your body. That you're breaking down your immune system. You're creating anxiety for no reason for something that didn't happen. So I just want to say, everybody just remain calm. Stay inside like they tell us. Wash your hands like they tell us. I find it very strange that there's no cure, but they're telling us to wash our hands, and that could wash the germs off, because the type of bacteria it is, the body is soft, and if you wash your hands 20 seconds, that's what they say. Do whatever they say. If that's what they say works, it's just gonna have to work. But on this channel, you guys know I have a relationship section, and I really want to dig deep into that. And also, I just want to let you guys know I like to talk. So I have a radio show. It's called The Front Desk. If you haven't, go check it out. I'm gonna put a link for it in the bio. We talk about a whole bunch of stuff. But today I want to talk about, I don't understand how could someone like someone and be friends with them. I don't got time for shit like that. I don't. If I like you, I'm gonna let you know what it is, and if you're not for it, I'm out. I need to understand how guys, I'd love to understand, how could a guy be friends with a lady for years, just waiting on his chance? Like, I give people like that, I give them hats off. Like, that is just crazy to me. Time is very important. That's wasted time. Even if you're talking to somebody else, you're with somebody else, that's still wasted energy on somebody that has told you they don't like you like that. Yeah, it can change, but if 2020 didn't teach us anything, don't waste time with nobody. And for the people that's waiting around for their ex to come back, or the person that they try to persuade to be with them, to come around and come to their senses, 9 times out of 10, if they didn't come to their senses the time you presented your feelings to them, leave them alone. Because 2020 it taught us this: don't waste time. And if there's a career or something that you want to pursue, I'm gonna say this though: we've all been in the house almost a month now, and if you're not pursuing something, or if you're not doing what you always wanted to do, work is not the problem anymore. If you're not an essential worker, you could go ahead and research whatever you wanted to do. You could be in a house and learn a whole new business, a new skill set, and by the time Corona is over, you can be ready to go out there and be who you want to be. Now, if you was a 9-to-5 person, and now you complain like, oh, all I do is go to work and come home, work and go home. What's your excuse now? Because you're in the house. And I'm going to say, take this time to become somebody great. Take this time to understand yourself. Take this time to declutter. Take this time to meditate. It's very important, people. We're getting time that we would never get again. You know what I mean? It's a bad situation, yes. But I'm saying, being that you're home, why not use the time to do something positive? You understand? So I'm just on here to say I'm going to be a little bit more active. And do check out my other channel, K Jones. Check out The Front Desk. That's my radio show. We talk about a whole bunch of things. If you're an artist and you want to send us stuff, you can. And people, all I want to say is, know your value. Know your worth. I think that's the problem with a lot of people when it comes to relationships, and a lot of people, and jobs, and it doesn't have to be a relationship, man, woman, woman, man, woman, woman, man, man. It doesn't have to be just that type of relationship. It could just be a job. You feel like you don't deserve more, so you settle for whatever. If 2020 didn't teach you anything, do not settle. Go for what you think is yours. Because look, we're all in a house. Everything that's happening now with COVID-19 is like we're living in a movie. And a lot of people didn't think this was possible, except for the people who write movies. But look, we're living in a time where we didn't think was possible. They said the last time this happened was influenza. And here we are, 2020, where technology is supposed to be way better than 1962 or whenever influenza happened. Right? And here we are. You know what I'm saying? So people, just be great. I'm just going to be back to spread positivity, because that's what I believe in. Nothing negative is going to make us feel better. So I'm just going to bring positivity. And it's your girl K, my day. Oh my God. And I should give you a tutorial of these dreads. Like, okay, so the last dread tutorial I did, on this page, I bought these dreads the same time, which is like almost 2 years ago. I never put these in. So now that I'm in the house and Corona's going on, I said, why not put my dreads in? And here I am with my dreads. Then it look official now because it's starting to look kind of crazy. But thanks for tuning in. Okay, my day out. Yeah, stay blessed, folks.